Hey everybody, welcome back to Craps University. Today we're going to continue our series on the iron cross variations. We're going to talk about an iron cross variation called the mini cross. The mini cross narrows just the hottest point numbers, and that is the 6 and 8. So basically we're playing 6 and 8 with a field bet. The only number that we don't have covered is the 5 and of course the 7. So let's see how this goes. We might add some variation ourselves, but let's get started. So let's get a number set first before anything. And coming out, 9. No field or center field 9. All right. So our outlay is going to be $85, 25 on the field, 30 on the 6 and 8. We're open on the 5 and the 7, of course, and we're shooting. And 3. 3 is a winner in the field, and we will rack that. And 7 out. All right, quick and dirty. Pretty easy. All right, let's see if we can. Coming out, 8. The point is 8. And here we go, the same 85 layout, 25 field, 30 on the 6, 30 on the 8, and we're shooting. And 4. That's a win in the field for us. And 10, that's another field win. And yo, that's a field win as well. All right, our layout was 85. We are now at 75 profit. And 5, no field 5, that is the one exposure. And back in the field. And 2 craps aces. And that pays double in the field, 50 bucks. We're up to $100. So now what we'll do is we'll start pressing the 6 and 8. Since we have everything paid off basically, we'll start pressing the 6 and 8 if we ever hit it. We're hitting all this outside stuff. And 2 craps, back to back. And 8. That's the point. 30 pays 35. We lose that 25. So basically we're up 10. But what we'll do is we will press that up 30. So we're still up 135. On this, and we're coming out. Our field bet is working on this come out. And 7 out. Actually, that's not a 7 out. That's a winner if you're playing the pass line, but that field bet loses. We won't put another field bet until we get a point set now. All right. And 10 the hard way. Point is set at 10, and we'll drop our field bet, and we're rolling. And 9, center field 9. That pays 100 or 25, 10 point. That pays down there. Let's go ahead and pick up that field bet for this next come out roll, and we're coming out. And 7, pay the line. And 3 craps. Take the line, pay the don'ts. And 10. 10 is the point. We'll drop our 25 back down there, and we're shooting. And 10, hit that point right back. Pay that field. What do you think? Should we take the field or should we let the field ride? I'm going to let it ride. Here we go. These place bets are off for sure. And 4. That field bet gets paid. Our point is 4. And we're looking for something. And yo, that's another field win. And 2 craps. That's a double field win. All the outside stuff today, wow. And 9, center field 9. That is a field win too. And 5. That's our open number. And field bet back out. Let's go. And 8. That's a loss on the field. We've got 60 on the 8. 60 pays 70. And since we're pressing, we will press up another $30 to 90 on that 8. And we will rack 40 bucks. All right. And don't forget that field bet. And 7 out. That was a good run. Good run. All right. Last shooter coming up. We netted we are now in the profit zone. For sure in the profit. Both rolls were now up 50 bucks. All right. We're coming out. And 10. That's 3 10 points. Or 3 10s in a row. All right. Same deal. 30 on the 6 and 8. 25 on that field. And we're rolling. And 9. Center field 9. All right. We got that field bet paid off. And 9, back-to-back 9s. All right, let's see midnight. And 6. All right, field bet slides here. 30 gets paid 35. We rack this 10. And 3 craps, that's a field win. Field's on fire today. And 3, back-to-back 3s. That's another field win. and 7 out. All right, not bad. I think we paid the bets off. That's all you can ask for, is pay your bets off, and then everything goes into profit. And we are now, that's our starting rack. So the mini cross did its work, and we are up $175 right there. Pretty good. So on the mini cross, there's fewer bets, but more frequent numbers. The 6 and 8 are the most frequent box numbers, but we did not hit those often. We kept hitting the field, which was very interesting. But that's craps. You never know what is going to roll. And they probably statistically do this based on the number of combinations, but you can have short spurts where you're crushing it. Okay, that's it for the mini cross. If you've got comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Craps University, and we'll see you at the field.